The processing for the 2025 attrition quota is now ongoing. We assure the public that this will be done under our nameless, faceless recruitment system, meaning walang padrino, no backer, and no special treatment. Only the most qualified, competent, and deserving applicants will wear our uniform and carry the badge of the Philippine National Police. As I always say, being a police officer is not just a profession. It's a calling to serve, protect, and sacrifice for others. To all our officers involved in the recruitment, let us maintain integrity and fairness. Let us prove that in the PNP, opportunities are earned through merit, not connections.